Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get curls with your straighteners so easily. So first of all, I am just taking the underneath of my hair because it's short and curling it under because there's no point in trying to curl this and it makes it a bit easier. So I'm just curling that under so it doesn't poke out underneath the curls. So I'm just taking an inch section all the way around, splitting my hair down the back and taking about an inch from the sides. So what you want to do is put your hair straighteners down, curl it 360 degrees and pull, and you get a curl. You don't have to keep twisting it if you don't want to. (360 degrees) and pull. Now it doesn't matter what way your hair straightener is pointing, to the floor or to the ceiling, as long as you're keeping that hair in the plates. So on this side of my head, I have them pointed down. When I get to this side, my hand wants to go up, so just do whatever feels comfortable for you. So I'm taking that, turning 360 degrees and pulling down, making sure all the hair stays inside the plates. A lot of people will try this and will keep twisting and getting confused like that. It does still work, but it's easier just to do the one twist and pulling it down. And this does work for longer hair as well, as long as you're not putting too much tension on the hair. So you don't want to be holding it super tight because that's when it sticks and it, you know, pulls it down. Just a bit. Super easy curls. So I'm gonna do up to about here and then I'll come back. So you'll probably notice I'm doing all the curls away from my face, which means they're going back the way. I'm not putting too much tension on the straighteners. Just gently pressing down. You don't need to be super tight. Your hand shouldn't be sore. And notice as well how when I do it, I've twisted it and I'm using my thumb to hold up the last piece of hair so that it doesn't fall out of the plates. So all the curls are going back the way, away from the face. Then again, coming to this side. On this side I put the straighteners down, and on my left hand side they go up, but that's just the way that my hands work. And then keeping that up in the plates using your hand to keep it in place. This is probably the biggest thing that my clients struggle with. When I do it in the salon, they're like, how do you do that so easily? I mean, I've done it for 6 years, so I've got the hang of it, but it is a lot of patience to get it right. And sometimes when you look in the mirror, it can make it more confusing. So if you're finding it hard to get the straightener on the right place, try, I know it sounds scary, but try closing your eyes and just feeling where you're going. Because when you look in the mirror, your hands want to go in a different direction. Or at least mine do. So, last bits. Straighteners down, not too tight. 360 degrees. Hold that piece of hair at the end here and just gently pull it down all the way until it falls out itself. So big thing, before I did this, I prepped my hair with some Argan Serum by Beauty Works. I'll link all of the products that I've used down in the description. It's so important to use a heat protectant when you are styling your hair with any heat. It will keep it in good condition, just trust me. So after I have finished with the curls, with this look, again, personal preference, I prefer it to be more blended in so you can see they've all separated here. So what I'll do is I'll just run my brush through so it's a little bit more sleek, separated. You can just run your fingers through it or not touch it at all if you want a more defined curl. I like it when it goes a little bit wavy. And then finish off with some hairspray, set it in place. And then I'm using Beauty Works Dream Shine. This is a great product if you have dry hair and it looks dull. It just gives it a bit more of a shine. Being blonde, you lose a lot of the shine from your hair because really you're drying out your hair when you bleach it. So I like to use that to just give it a little bit of light and a bit of reflection. And just give yourself a little shake and you're done. Easy. Thanks for watching, everyone. Mwah.